Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Tag Manager for affiliate click tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Tag Manager for affiliate click tracking, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account.
If you don't have an account, create one. Once logged in, select your container or create a new one if necessary. Next, navigate to the Triggers section on the left sidebar. Click on the New button to create a new trigger.
Name your trigger something recognizable, like affiliate clicks.
Now, click on the Trigger Configuration area. Choose the trigger type as just links.
In the configuration settings, enable wait for tags and set a timeout if necessary.
Also enable check validation.
Scroll down to this trigger fires on and select some link clicks. Here, for example, select click URL from the drop-down. Choose the condition contains and enter part of your affiliate link, such as your-affiliate-link.com. Save your trigger once the conditions are set. Next, move to the Tags section in the left sidebar. Click the New button to create a new tag. Name your tag appropriately, such as affiliate click tracking.
Click on the Tag Configuration area. Select Google Analytics, Universal Analytics as the tag type. In the Track Type dropdown, choose Event. Fill in the category, action, and label fields based on your tracking needs. For category, you might choose Affiliate. For action, use Click. For label, you can insert a variable for the click URL or use a static text. Next, under Google Analytics settings, select your Google Analytics variable. If you haven't created one, you will need to do so first. Scroll down to the triggering section and click on the area. Select the trigger you just created for affiliate clicks. Now hit the Save button to save your tag. After saving both the trigger and tag, click on the Submit button in the top right corner. Add a version name and description to identify your changes. Click Publish to publish your new configuration. Finally, use the preview mode to test your setup before going live. Check your Google Analytics real-time reports to ensure clicks are being recorded properly. Once confirmed, you can exit the preview mode.
Your Google Tag Manager is now effectively configured for affiliate click tracking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.